Ever stared at that dreaded payment declined message when you just want to download your next favorite app? Don't let payment issues stop your app adventures before they even begin. Today, we're diving deep into how to conquer those stubborn App Store payment problems. First things first, let's check your payment method. Tap on Settings on your iPhone. Now tap on your Apple ID at the very top. This is where all your account information lives. Next, find and tap on Payment and Shipping. This is the crucial hub for all your billing details. Here's where most problems lie. Double check that your credit or debit card information is completely up to date. Is the card number correct? Is the expiry date still valid? Don't forget to verify the security code on the back. Your billing address must also precisely match the address associated with your payment card. Even a slight mismatch can cause a decline. If you suspect your current card is the issue, consider adding a different payment method. You can tap Add Payment Method to enter a new card or explore other options like PayPal if available in your region. Sometimes the issue isn't with the card itself, but with your account settings. Let's go back to the main settings, scroll down and tap on App Store. Tap on View Account under your Apple ID. You might be prompted to sign in again, which is a good security check. Once you're in your account settings, look for the country region option. Make sure this accurately reflects your current location and is consistent with your billing address and payment method. If you need to change it, tap Change Country or Region. Be aware that changing your country might affect your subscriptions and available content, so proceed with caution. Still no luck? Let's try a quick refresh. First, close the App Store app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and holding, then swiping the App Store preview card upwards. Then reopen the App Store. Sometimes a simpler is can clear out any temporary glitches. Finally, try making your purchase again with these steps. You should be well on your way to downloading the apps you want.